Welcome to the Splendor Hub. Question number 1. Which of the following element is not present abundantly in Earth crust? Is option A silicon, B radium, C aluminium, D carbon. Answer: element is not present abundantly in Earth crust is radium. Question 2. Sedimentary rocks are option A porous, B hard, C rough, D brittle, E volcanic. Answer: sedimentary rocks are porous. Question 3. Which one of the following is a non-metallic mineral? Option A manganese, option B magnesium, option C gypsum, option D bauxite. Answer: the element is a non-metallic mineral is gypsum. Question 4. Ozone layer prevents dash radiation from entering the atmosphere. Option A infrared, option B ultraviolet, option C X-rays, option D gamma rays. Answer: ozone layer prevents from ultraviolet radiation from entering the atmosphere. Question 5. The phenomena of aurora borealis, the display of red and green light in northern hemisphere, is due to radiation from option A ionosphere, option B troposphere, option C mesosphere, option D stratosphere. Answer: the phenomena of aurora borealis, the display of red and green lights in the northern hemisphere, is due to radiation from ionosphere. Question 6. Yeast is used in making bread because it produces option A carbon dioxide, option B sugar, option C bacteria, option D oxygen. Answer: yeast is used in making bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Question 7. Oasis is associated with option A glaciers, option B desert, option C Iceland, option D volcanoes, option E fertile land. Answer: oasis is associated with desert. Question 8. Quartz crystal in quartz watches work on the principle called option A photoelectric effect, option B stark effect, option C thermionic effect, option D piezoelectric effect. Answer: quartz crystal in quartz watches work on the principle called piezoelectric effect. Question 9. The fruit without seed like banana are called option A seedless fruits, option B parthenogenesis fruit, option C parthenocarpic fruit, option D placental fruits, option E organic fruit. Answer: the fruit without seed like banana are called parthenocarpic fruits. Question 10. Animal which captures and readily kills living animals for its food is called option A parasite, scavenger, option C predator, option D mammal. Answer: animals which captures and readily kills living animals for its food is called predator. Question 11. In a railway track, two rails are joined end to end with a gap in between them because option A steel can be saved, option B accidents due to contraction in winter can be avoided, option C air gaps are necessary for bearing the weight of running train, option D accidents due to expansion in summer can be avoided. Answer: in a railway track, two rails are joined end to end with a gap in between them because accidents due to expansion in summer can be avoided. Question 12. Name of the famous book of Ibn-Sina in which he discussed human physiology and medicine. Option A Al-Qanun, option B Al-Masudi, option C New Renaissance, D Tazkira. Answer: name of the famous book of Ibn Sina in which he discussed human physiology and medicine is Al-Qanun. Question 13. Water is heated in a kettle. The inside water is heated by convection. A person sitting near the fire receives heat by option A conduction, option B convection, option C radiation, option D reflection. Answer: water is heated in a kettle. The inside water is heated by convection. A person sitting near the fire receives heat by radiation. Question 14. In winter, an iron pipe feels colder than the wooden window. Question 14. In winter, an iron pipe feels colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is option A conductor, B non-conductor, C semiconductor, D not a solid while iron is a solid. Answer: in winter an iron pipe feel colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is non-conductor. Question 15. The echo reflected sound will be distinctly heard only at ordinary temperatures if the distance of the reflecting surface from the surface of sound is at least option A 1120 feet, option B 120 feet, option C 56 feet, option D 100 feet. Answer: the echo reflected sound will be distinctly heard only at ordinary temperature if the distance of the reflected surfaces from the source of the sound is at least 56 feet. Question 16. It is possible to recognize a person in the dark by simply hearing his unique voice. It is because of the answer A. Option A pitch, option B frequency, option C time period, option D quality. Answer: it is possible to recognize a person in the dark by simply hearing his unique voice. It is because of the pitch. Question 17. When a ray of sunlight enters a dark room, its straight path becomes visible because of dust particles hanging in the air. It is because light is option A visible, option B transparent, option C invisible, option D opaque. Answer: when a ray of sunlight enters a dark room, its straight path becomes visible because of dust particles hanging in the air. It is because light is visible. Question 18. A 6 feet tall lady wants to see her full image in a plane mirror. The minimum length of the mirror will be option A 6 feet, option B 12 feet, option C 4 feet, option D 3 feet. Answer: a 6 feet tall lady wants to see her full image in a plane mirror. The minimum length of the mirror will be 3 feet. Question 19. The principles used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar, we use radio waves, whereas in sonar, we use option A red waves, option B infrared waves, option C ultrasonic, option D supersonic. Answer: the principle used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar, we use radio waves, whereas in sonar, we use ultrasonic. Answer: question 20. In a fission nuclear reaction, a heavy nucleus breaks up into a smaller nuclei, whereas in another nuclear reaction, two or more than two possibly nuclei are fused to form a heavy nucleus. This nuclear reaction is called option A chemical reaction, option B nuclear reaction, option C fission nuclear reaction, option C fusion nuclear reaction. Answer: fusion nuclear reaction. Thank you for watching.